I should let go.
Depressurize this time. Notice the fuel was burning a lot faster than it was before. First time out together in a little bit. How you feeling?
I'm well.
You look good.
Thank you. You look handsome.
Oh, thanks. What were we singing earlier?
Shake it up.
Shake it up. That's the name of it? Tupac, shake it up.
Whatever he said.
Or shake it, baby.
Shake,
yeah, that part.
Shake it, baby. Shake it for me.
Hey. Don't mind us, y'all. See, we're in the 5 Series. Getting ready.
Stella got a groove bag.
Stella got the groove bag, boo. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, look, if y'all have not seen the basically the BMW malfunction or the BMW N55 series, the troubleshooting series, go check it out. It was a good one.
Smash that like button and subscribe.
What she said. But definitely go check that out. I know the video didn't do any justice of the stress level that we were experiencing about this car, but that's a video for another time. Now, there is some verbiage in the BMW TIS bulletin that talked about replacing the fuel pump. It also mentions to update DME software for it as well. Right now, my only catch is if I'm supposed to use an older program, Insta-P, or using Insta Plus. Having some difficulties getting Insta-P to work, so I'm going to have to look through that a little bit more. Okay, I've done just about all the system tests for the fuel system except for low pressure fuel, and that's going to be the fuel rail. What the f is happening? Okay, that was scary as hell because the car just did not want to start.